Myth or fact? Can strength training replace cardio for heart health?
Many people believe lifting weights can take the place of cardio for heart health. This myth has gained popularity, but is it true? Today, we'll explore what science says about weight training, cardiovascular exercise, and their unique benefits for your heart and overall fitness.
Understanding cardiovascular exercise.
Cardio or aerobic exercise includes activities like running, cycling, and swimming. These activities raise your heart rate and keep it elevated, training your heart and lungs to work more efficiently. Regular cardio improves blood circulation, lowers blood pressure, and reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke.
What does weight training do?
Lifting weights, also called resistance or strength training, is great for building muscle and bone strength. While it may cause your heart rate to rise briefly, it does not typically keep your heart working at the sustained rate needed for maximum cardiovascular benefit. Still, it offers its own health advantages, including better metabolism, joint support, and insulin sensitivity.
Comparing the heart benefits.
Both strength training and cardio support heart health, but in different ways. Cardio exercises directly improve your heart's endurance and efficiency. Weight training does contribute. Studies show it can modestly improve blood pressure and cholesterol, but its primary strengths are muscular and metabolic improvements, not replacing cardiovascular benefits.
Why a balanced approach is best.
Experts agree. The best fitness routine combines both cardio and strength training. This combination delivers the full spectrum of health benefits, including optimal heart health, stronger muscles, and better overall fitness. If heart health is your main goal, don't skip the cardio. Weightlifting works best as a complementary addition, not a replacement.
The bottom line.
Lifting weights alone cannot fully replace cardio for heart health. Each type of exercise has unique and important effects on your body. For a healthy heart, aim to include both strength and aerobic training in your regular fitness routine.